औरत हारती नहीं है, उसे हराया जाता है। औरत हारती नहीं है, उसे हराया जाता है। समाज में क्या कहेंगे लोग, ये कहकर उन्हें दबाया जाता है। हेलो माय डियर लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, दिस इज मी शाइमा एंड टुडे I feel highly privileged and honored to talk about such a crucial topic, and that is women empowerment. But before that, I would like to show my humble gratitude to my sir who has provided me such a beautiful opportunities to share my views. I'm a girl, you are a girl, even you are a girl. You all have your mother at your home. Your mother is a woman first. A woman who is epitome of love, strength, sacrifice, wisdom, your support system. You know what, guys? A woman is soft, but she's not weak. A woman is innocent, but she's not foolish. You know what? We have the best example in our life, our mother. Our mother is one who we can around feel safe. Our mother is our source of happiness. Our mother is our strength. Have you ever respected a girl? No, not at all. Until and unless that person belongs to your family. A girl is chopped into pieces. A girl is totally abused in front of all of us. And what we have done? What we have done? We have done nothing. We are just complaining our laws that they are not strict. But what about you? Well, I just want to say, मैंने सुना था औरत कमजोर होती है। मैंने सुना था औरत कमजोर होती है, पर मैं भूल नहीं सकती अपनी माँ को। मैंने सुना था कि औरत कमजोर होती है, पर मैं भूल नहीं सकती पीटी उषा को। मैंने सुना था कि औरत कमजोर होती है, पर मैं भूल नहीं सकती रानी लक्ष्मीबाई को। So guys, this was me, Shaima, standing before you all and talking about such a crucial topic. Thank you, you all having a great audience of the day, for connecting me and feel the same emotion as me. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.